Hey, what's going on, traders? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, time to put down another video for tonight. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick of the day will be for actually tomorrow, which will be February 4th, 2020. Now, before we get into my hot pick of the day, don't forget to help me out. We're trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers in 6 months, only at 162. But like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hitting that bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, some new video, you'll be right there rocking and rolling with me, and we'll definitely hit that 1,000 subscribers for sure. All right, let's get into it. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker ZM. That's Zoom Communications. That's right. Now, Zoom had some news today. Yes, it vaulted 14.9, almost 15% in today's trade for its best one-day showing since June. Analysts say the coronavirus fears appeared to drive investors toward the video conferencing stock. Our buy-side contacts have noted increased investor interest around Zoom as a play on the coronavirus outbreak, says Stevens analyst Ryan McWilliams, who rates the stock at overweight with a $95 price target. That's right. We believe the investors are betting on paid user growth as a result of increased cloud video meeting usage due to concerns around physically meeting due to the coronavirus, McWilliams says. Even as China does not represent a significant business for Zoom, although 80% of the company's engineering team lives there. That's right. Now, these are the kind of common sense sympathy plays we should be looking for with the coronavirus breakout. Of course, you know, the airline stocks will probably go down due to less flights, and of course the pharmaceutical companies who are anything to do with respiratory problems or respiratory medicines will probably pop up. And of course, we should have known that Zoom, being that people are scared to meet face to face, that Zoom might pop up and video conferencing might take over actually face to face meetings. So definitely these are some sympathy plays that the coronavirus has sparked and has made certain sectors in the market pop and drop. So a lot of times when this big news comes out, we should always kind of use our brain, use our common sense, and think what kind of sympathy plays we could get off of it. I wish I had thought of this before, but now that it is breaking out, we can always ride the wave. And as always, as technical traders, let's look to the charts and see what's exactly going on with my hot pick of the day, the ticker ZM. That is Zoom. All right, now if we look at the intraday chart, you can see Zoom opened right here at about 77.55 and popped up all day long, just grinding up, little pullbacks here and there, nothing too major, but hit a high of 88.94. So a day range of $11.43 for a stock that usually has an ATR, average true range of just $2.60. Now, average true range, in case you didn't know, I'll just explain it for you guys, is the range a stock moves within a day. So that's $2.60. So if it opens at 70, it usually will travel either $2.60 up or $2.60 down. That's the range of the stock. Today, it almost quadrupled that, almost 5 times that much, with a range of $11.43. You can see that big move right here, and it broke through all the intraday retracements right here. As you can see, just kind of killed everything. Kind of based right here, this 84.41, and once it held, popped up to this 86.55, came back down, broke down, and you can see tested this 86.55 and then ripped up and tested this 88.68, went a little bit above it. You can see wicked above, dropped back down, and after hours right back up this 88.68. So we definitely want to watch that level tomorrow. But let's take a look back at the daily chart to get a bigger perspective on what Zoom has been doing as of late. You can see the IPO was right back here in April, popped up this to a high of $107.34, and you know, just kind of been on the grind all the way down, then basing right here around the IPO price at about 61.50. You can see it did the double bottom right here, and then was on its way moving up, hitting this $70 level. This is where I was looking at it. It kept testing this 70 level. This 70 level was a support, then was a support here, then became resistance all along this area. Resistance, broke through, came back down, resistance again, then broke through, popped back down, and again use it as support, and then this rip up. Man, I should have got some calls right here when I saw it at 70 and just held, but this move was definitely unexpected, but due to the coronavirus. So definitely on the daily chart, above a lot of the retracement levels I have, above all the moving averages, the 50, the 20. I don't think the 200 is showing. I don't know if they had 200 trading days yet, but above all the basic moving average that everyone watches. So definitely bullish. So what we want to watch is for a test of this 9162. That's right, 9162. You can see is a previous resistance and support. Was a resistance here, broke up, held support, kind of held support all the way down here, then broke down. So 9162 will be a key level, but according to the intraday chart, we want to hold this 8868 level. If we can hold this 8868 level, we definitely want to test this 9162. So about $3 move and maybe a move up to that price target of 95. If not, we break down from this 8868, we could test this 8655 and maybe even as low as this 7964 if it decides to pull back a whole bunch and people decide that this move was just over exaggerated due to the coronavirus. This thing could pull back to this 50% area right around 79.64, I believe. Yeah, that's what it is right there. So we'll just have to wait and see for tomorrow, but definitely those are some notable intraday levels you want to watch. But definitely topping up at this 88.68 will be key, so watch it tomorrow in the pre-market as well, so we can see if it does hold or decides to reject, and mark these levels down for a bounce on the bottom side: 86.55, 84.41, 83.54, 81.78, and 79.64. And this actually this 200 SMA is popping up on this intraday chart, so at 79.54. So we could see a test back here if it decides to pull back, like I said, if they think this is too much of an exaggerated move. But if the bulls kick in over this 88.68, we could see this test of 91.62 of hold this. Like I said, could test that price target of $95. So rewind the video, make sure you write down these levels because they will be in play tomorrow with my hot pick of the day. And that is my technical analysis on my hot pick of the day, the ticker ZM. That's Zoom Communications. There you go. There you have it. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker ZM. That's Zoom Communications. Now, don't get the ticker messed up with ZOOM. That is not Zoom Communications. I know some people, like I said, traded that at the IPO thinking that was Zoom, but no, Zoom Communications is ZM. So don't forget that. Now, don't forget, it also takes a lot to put these videos together. It takes my time, effort, but I love the journey. I love taking you guys with me, and I love making these videos for you. But all I ask in return is just 3 simple clicks of the mouse. That's right, YouTube loves it, and I'll love you for it. Let's get that 1,000 subscribers. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, that's right, and hit the bell notification anytime I put up some new video, new content, whatever the case may be. You'll be right there rocking with me. It's all good. Marqueasy, aka the DJ Daytrader. Time for me to bounce on up out the door. Yep, my time here is done. But before I go, I gotta remind you to plan your trade. Trade your plan and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time. Aloha.